That bargain-priced used car frequently functions as a massive down payment on a ruined engine and a catastrophic repair bill. You have to weigh the immediate financial appeal of a bargain price tag against the severe risk of massive repair bills waiting just under the hood. This chart shows the used car risk matrix. We are plotting the severity of known mechanical failures against the strict level of repair documentation you need to actually buy one safely. It is a strict ROI analysis of what you save today versus what you will pay tomorrow. An engine landing on this list does not mean every single example will fail. It means these specific production years have a documented pattern of expensive problems. The risk is high enough that an average buyer should normally choose a different model. The only way to safely buy one of these engines is with verified, specialized repair paperwork. Without it, the mechanical risk instantly erases your upfront discount. Number 10 is the Chrysler 2.7-liter LH V6, built from roughly 1998 to 2010. You will find it heavily depreciated in commuter cars like the Chrysler Sebring and Dodge Stratus. The design features a very small oil capacity relative to the engine's demands. If previous owners skipped oil changes, it builds thick oil sludge. Worse, the internal water pump placement can leak directly into the oil, contaminating the entire lubrication system. Number 9 is the early GM 3.6-liter high-feature V6, spanning 2007 to roughly 2012. This engine powered massive numbers of American crossovers and sedans like the Chevy Traverse and Cadillac CTS. Many of these vehicles were subjected to extended oil change intervals. That specific neglect causes the timing chains to literally stretch and elongate over time, eventually throwing camshaft correlation fault codes and creating a rough-running engine. Servicing that timing chain is highly complex and extremely expensive. Unless you have complete oil change documentation and a totally clean diagnostic scan, an early 3.6-liter will destroy your budget. Number 8 is the Generation 2 Volkswagen and Audi 2.0-liter TFSI, primarily from 2009 to 2013. This is the core power plant for popular enthusiast and commuter models like the Audi A4 and Volkswagen GTI. During these specific production years, buyers face severe mechanical exposure. There is a high risk of excessive oil consumption caused by faulty piston rings, alongside the threat of a sudden timing chain tensioner collapse that damages the valve train. Number 7 brings us to the mid-2010s to early 2020s Ford 1.0-liter EcoBoost. The danger here lies in its unique internal architecture. This cutaway schematic shows exactly how this engine fails. The timing belt operates directly inside the engine oil. Incorrect oil deteriorates the belt. That rubber debris flows down and clogs the oil pump pickup screen. Once blocked, oil pressure plummets to zero. Running a turbocharged engine without lubrication causes total internal damage in seconds. A cheap, small car is not a bargain here. If undocumented maintenance leads to belt deterioration, you are buying a car that will imminently require a full engine replacement. Number 6 is the BMW N20 2.0-liter turbo, specifically the earlier production runs from 2012 to 2015. This was a core engine for BMW, powering almost every entry-level sedan and crossover of the era. The plastic timing chain guides inside the N20 are known to deteriorate and crack. If those guides shatter and the engine loses timing, the resulting internal damage carries a repair cost exceeding the entire cash value of the car. Number 5 shifts to the mass market. The Hyundai and Kia Theta 2 2.0-liter turbo and 2.4-liter GDI, built from 2011 to 2019. These engines are sitting in millions of used Sonatas, Optimas, and Sorrentos. The Theta 2 suffers from a well-documented risk of connecting rod bearing wear. This defect starts as a metallic knocking sound and frequently ends with sudden engine seizure while driving. Never rely on a seller's verbal claim that the engine was already replaced. You must meticulously verify the VIN through a dealer, check the physical invoices, and confirm the current warranty coverage before handing over your money. Number 4 is the older transverse Cadillac Northstar 4.6-liter V8. You will find these engines wrapped inside heavily depreciated, highly attractive luxury sedans like the DeVille and Seville. The Northstar suffers from a flaw where the cylinder head bolt threads fail directly inside the engine block. This causes head gasket breaches and severe overheating. Because of the tightly packed engine bay, the entire engine often must be removed to perform the specialized thread repair. Number 3 is the Ford 5.4-liter 3-valve Triton V8, produced from 2004 to 2010. This was the standard engine for a massive portion of America's heavy-duty and passenger truck fleet. This specific Triton is highly sensitive to oil pressure. Neglecting maintenance accelerates timing chain and guide wear, leading to severe cam phaser rattle and eventual top-end engine destruction. If you hear a ticking or rattling noise at idle, walk away. You should bypass this powertrain entirely unless the seller hands you ironclad proof of a fully documented, specialist-repaired engine. Number 2 is the early BMW N63 twin-turbo V8 from roughly 2009 to 2014. BMW tightly packaged 2 turbochargers directly in the valley of the V8, generating intense, localized heat stress. That extreme heat bakes surrounding components. It causes premature valve stem seal failure and massive oil consumption. Because everything is packed so tightly under the hood, the labor hours required just to reach the broken parts are astronomical. Number 1 is the Ford 6.4-liter Power Stroke diesel V8, found in 2008 to 2010 Super Duty trucks. The 6.4-liter was saddled with highly complex emissions equipment. The diesel particulate filter regeneration process actively dilutes the engine oil with fuel. That compromised oil then triggers intensely expensive failures in both the high-pressure fuel system and the valve train. Add in the fact that to 6 major issues, the mechanic frequently has to physically lift the cab off the truck frame. A cheap 6.4-liter has likely already been worked hard, tuned, or abused. The immense repair exposure makes this the ultimate financial trap for an average buyer. A pristine exterior can easily hide an engine capable of generating a repair bill much larger than the vehicle's total value. This flowchart shows your required verification path. If the car has an engine from this list, you must ask for ironclad proof of a specialist repair. If the seller cannot provide it, you hit the red endpoint. You walk away. The 6.4-liter Power Stroke is the heavy-duty trap. The early BMW N63 is the luxury trap. And the millions of Theta 2s represent the mass-market documentation trap. To survive the used car market in 2026, you must verify the exact engine, production date, and repair paperwork before you sign anything. Do your research, or your upfront discount will become a permanent financial burden.